Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be learning how to do the knitted cast on method. I'm using a 5mm or US size 8 with Caron Simply Soft in the shade of baby pink or soft pink. To do the knitted cast on method, we will need to create a slip knot. So you'll wrap it and then just like that. You'll place it on the left side of the circular needle round, and you want to leave a little tail because if you're working on a project, you'll need to weave in the ends. But what you want to do is take your right and put it in the slip knot that we did, wrap it, and then bring it down, and then put it on the left side. Let me do this again. In between, wrap it, scoop it up, and then slide it. So wrap, scoop, slide. And I will be making a total of 17 stitches, because if you look at yarn label, it'll tell you how many stitches is per 4 inches. I only did this because I wanted to show a small sample. So, and this is a medium worsted weight yarn that I'm using, a medium 4. But yeah, if you look at your yarn label, it'll tell you which needles are recommended for it. So I'm using an 8 because that's what it calls for. It's kind of like a cooking recipe. If it goes smaller or bigger, the whole size changes, especially when you're doing a project. Now, when you're casting on for a pattern, you want to make sure that you're counting the stitches on your needles, because if you don't, it could mess up the pattern that you're going for, especially if it calls for cast on multiples of 4 or 2. So yeah, just always make sure you're counting your stitches. This is 1, 2, and then 4, 6. Usually I count by 4s, but today I'm gonna do 2s just because a smaller sample. So we had 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and one more 4 to make 4 inches. And this is a very simple beginner for any knitter to cast on. Once you finish your cast-ons, you can begin your knitting project, whether it's a scarf, dishcloth. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a like, share, comment on what you want to see next in the video. Happy crafting!